Okay, hey, it's Kayla. I just wanted to make a video response to Taylor Bebop's burping video, and if she can do it without being made fun of, then so can I. Alright, well, mine might be as weak as hers, probably weaker, but sorry, I want to get some light on me. Too much. Alright, well, here goes. Yeah, that was pretty weak. Alright, let me hear. Go again, alright. That was okay. Alright. Okay, sorry, I had a text message. Now I had something in my eye. Alright, here goes another one. That one was amazing. I liked that one the most. I had to say. Yeah, Taylor's last one, like the last one in my video, it's like really good. So like I don't think I can top that. Like, but I'm gonna try. Okay, hold on. Look like crap in this video. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Okay, that one was really good, but I think I can do one more that's like maybe better. Wait, hold on. Alright, I think the other one was better, but still. Well, thanks anyways. Bye.